guess what my percentages are in the comments before you look at my results. Just guess first and then watch the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to my ancestry DNA results because they keep updating my estimate every 2 months, and I just need to clear some things up because I'm not mixed. Let's get into it. All right, so we have 50% Nigerian, 25% Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu people, 13% Mali, 3% England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, 3% Ireland and Scotland, 2% Senegal, 2% Benin and Togo, 1% Germanic Europe, and 1% Portugal. Additional communities: early North Carolina African Americans, East Central North Carolina African Americans, Southern North Carolina African Americans, the Carolinas, Maryland, and Virginia African Americans. So yeah, these are my updated ancestry results. No, I am not mixed. That is not why my hair is long. I'm actually over 90% African. The average African American is 75%, so I'm not mixed at all. I'm actually far from it. And these are my results. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Casual, 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 casual.